Welcome back, my friend. Today, we're doing something special. This is your daily English shadowing practice, where you'll listen, repeat, and speak along with me. We're going to go through 140 natural English phrases that you can use every single day. The goal is simple. Don't just listen, speak with me. Repeat each phrase clearly and confidently. Feel the rhythm, the tone, and the flow. This is not just about memorizing English, it's about living it. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready to shadow. Let's start. How's it going? What's new? Long time no see. How have you been? Nice to meet you. Good to see you again. How are things? What's up? I'm doing great, thanks. Not too bad. I've been busy lately. Same as always. Hope you're doing well. How's your family? Everything good? It's been a while.
Could you help me, please? I need a little help. Would you mind showing me? Can you explain that again? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat, please? What do you mean by that? I'm not sure I understand. That makes sense. Oh, I get it now. Thanks for explaining. Got it. Thank you. Can you speak more slowly? One more time, please. I'm still learning. Thanks for your patience. I think that's a great idea. In my opinion, it's better this way. I completely agree with you. That's so true. I'm not sure about that. I see it differently. You might be right. That's an interesting point. Exactly what I was thinking. You read my mind. Couldn't agree more. That's a good point. Let's agree to disagree. It's okay to have different views. I respect your opinion. Let's move on. Let's get started. Time to begin. We're ready to go. Let's do this. Could you send me the details? Keep me posted. Let's touch base later. I'll get back to you soon. That works for me. Sounds good. I'm fine with that. Let's stick with the plan. Can we move this to tomorrow? Let's reschedule. I'm running late. Sorry for the delay. How much is this? Do you have this in another size? Can I try this on? Is there a discount? Could I get the menu, please? I'd like to order this. What do you recommend? Can we get the bill, please? Where's the nearest station? How long will it take? Could you show me on the map? I'm looking for this place. Is it far from here? How can I get there? Do I need to take a bus? Can I walk from here? That's awesome. Sounds amazing. I love it. That's interesting. You're kidding. No way. Are you serious? That's unbelievable. I can't wait. That's exciting. I'm really looking forward to it. This is going to be fun. It's not a big deal. Don't worry about it. It happens. Everything's fine. I'm so tired. I'm exhausted. I need a break. I'm calling it a day. I feel great today. I slept well. I'm full of energy. I'm ready to go. It's too hot today. It's freezing outside. The weather's perfect. It might rain later. I'm running out of time. I'll do it later. Let's hurry up. Better late than never. You did a great job. That's impressive. I'm proud of you. Keep it up. Don't give up. You've got this. Believe in yourself. Stay strong. That's a smart idea. I didn't think of that. You're absolutely right. Well done. Take your time. No rush. It's all good. Everything will be fine. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. That means a lot to me. You're so kind. I owe you one. You saved my day. You're the best. Thanks for helping me. I'm really sorry. My bad. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to. It won't happen again. Sorry for the trouble. No worries. It's all good. Can you tell me more? That's interesting. Go on. I'd like to know more about it. Really, tell me more. What happened next? Then what did you do? That's funny. You're serious. I completely understand. I know what you mean. I feel the same way. That happened to me too. It sounds familiar. I've been there. I get your point. That's so relatable. Let's grab a bite. Want to go for coffee? Let's hang out later. See you around. I've got to go. Catch you later. Take care. Talk to you soon. Sleep tight. Sweet dreams. See you in the morning. Have a good night. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Enjoy your weekend. See you next time. What's your plan for today? I'm going to work. I'll stay home and rest. I'm meeting some friends. I need to study. I'm cooking tonight. I'm watching a movie. I'll clean my room. Let's go for a walk. Want to join me? That sounds fun. I'd love to. Sorry, I can't today. Maybe next time. I'm busy right now. Let's do it later. I think we're done here. That's all for today. It was nice talking to you. Let's chat again soon. Keep practicing these phrases. Use them every day. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Consistency is the secret. Don't just memorize words, feel them, use them, live them. English is not a subject, it's a skill. The more you use it, the better you get. You're doing great. Stay positive. Keep learning with passion. Your fluency is closer than you think. And that's the end of today's shadowing session. You just practiced 140 daily use English phrases to help you sound natural and confident. Listen again, repeat, and shadow my voice as often as you can. The more you speak with rhythm and emotion, the faster you'll sound fluent. Don't worry about perfection, focus on progress. Every day you shadow, you grow. Thank you for joining this session. Keep listening, keep repeating, and I'll see you in the next practice. Until then, stay confident, stay consistent, and keep speaking English every single day.